Hey guys, what's up? We're back and we're about to land on runway 22 left, and the plane is really starting to not be able to fly at about 160 knots. The plane is dropping quick. We're starting to stall. We gotta put everything up. We're starting to stall. 55, 61. Spoilers are up. Gears up. Nose is down. Mayday, 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 mayday. Nose is coming back up. Trim down. Gear up. Cut out wind speed. 401 knot. Gears down. Okay. Bad engine failure here. Oh boy. We're done. This cannot happen right now. Somebody's playing second stall. Come on, 1444, crossway, maintain runway 4 left. Is that for us? No. We're back. Mayday, mayday, we're coming in, Boston Logan, 105. Boston Logan, 105. Tower, 105, coming in, gear back down. Make sure to have all safety units on the airfield. Yeah, she got a real problem here? Yep. We are actually losing major airspeed with our gear down and stuff, so we're about at 260 knots coming in with nothing on. We might have to put the gear up to prevent stallage here, but we're going to try to get on the ground. No, nothing. We're actually losing major power here. We're going to put gear up until the last second to touch down on the ground.
Bye, Chan. Shut all the lights off when you're done.
What do you mean, bye?
We're going to do haircuts.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Gears up. Okay, boss plug, just be advised, yeah, we're going to come in with no gear down until the last second. Gear up. Why are we such crosswinded right now? Okay, gear down. Navigator. Have all safety units on. Mayday, mayday, 105. We're in the ground. Suppose on flight. Or armed. Evacuate. Alright. Evacuate now. Now. Get out. Go. Shut down all engines. To prevent explosion. Just everything off. Everything. Okay. What the fuck? Brace. Alright, hey guys, what's up? This was after the vid. This was after the vid. I just ended the flight. We landed successfully. Everyone on board was saved. It's kind of a rough landing though. But so basically that's the ending, guys. Nothing too exciting there, but it was really bad for a second. we had gear down, we had everything coming in ready to go, and we found out that we couldn't land because of the airspeed, so we had to put the gear down, put the gear up until about landing time. Like 2 seconds before landing, we put the gear back on so we could slow down our airspeed. But about it. But anyways, yeah. So basically what happened was the engine failed due to max takeoff thrust. So, you know. So yeah, basically guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna try to fix my mic, but thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next vid. Peace out, Mr. Butter the Bread. Like and subscribe.